Alright, let me see.
I won't get you filmed then. While you filming.
Alright, what's your name, man?
Yeah, this big country. I got old Lucille here. This the one gonna skin some ass.
What kind of pole you got, man?
Yeah, this Lucille.
What kind you got?
Her name is Lucille.
The people gotta know what.
She ain't got no name.
Who the cap?
She got Lucille.
I got me a buku.
In the pole?
Yeah.
Albert,
Albert Garcia.
everything. So, dog, what you got?
I got me a ugly stick.
And what?
With an offshore crank, goddamn.
Ocean Master, man.
You know what time it is, don't
What you got, man?
you? know what time it is. This Lucille. This the one you feel. This is the one you don't want to see.
I got an ugly stick. You understand me?
It's gonna be ugly too.
I got an ugly stick with a Shakespeare 50. You understand me? $40 hookup. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, no, with 20-pound big game. What you got in yours, Poodle Cap?
20-pound big game.
What you got in yours, Short?
20 big.
What you got, Country?
Got 10-pound test line.
Man, you ain't got no 10-pound test line.